Starting your own cleaning service company can be a fantastic way to become your own boss and make a living. With a little planning and hard work, you can turn this idea into a thriving business. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to get your cleaning service up and running. First, let's talk about the type of cleaning service you want to offer. Are you interested in residential cleaning, or maybe commercial cleaning is more your style? Think about what fits your skills and what the market demands in your area. This will also help you decide on the equipment and supplies you'll need. Once you've figured out your focus, it's time to plan your business. This means setting up a budget. Think about costs like cleaning supplies, marketing, and transportation. You'll also need to decide on your pricing. Check out what other cleaning services in your area are charging for a good idea. It's also important to think about how you'll differentiate your business from competitors. Consider offering eco-friendly cleaning options to attract environmentally conscious clients, or providing customizable packages to suit different customer needs. Highlighting these unique selling points in your marketing materials can help your business stand out and attract more clients. Now let's talk about making it official. You'll want to register your business. This can seem a bit tricky, but that's where legalregistration.com comes in. We can help you through the process and make sure everything's done right. You can get started by visiting eagleregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Another crucial step is investing in insurance for your cleaning business. General liability insurance can protect you from potential risks such as property damage or accidents on the job. While it's an additional expense, having insurance provides peace of mind and builds trust with your clients, showing them that you're a professional who takes your work seriously. So once you're all set up legally, it's time to find customers. Start by spreading the word to friends and family. Use social media to reach a wider audience. You might also want to think about creating flyers or business cards to pass around your neighborhood. As your business grows, consider implementing software to help manage bookings, invoices, and client communication. Tools like scheduling apps or CRM systems can save you time and keep your operations running smoothly. This level of organization not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances your professional image. As your business starts to grow, remember that customer service is key. Go the extra mile to make your clients happy, and they'll keep coming back. A satisfied customer is your best advertisement. And there you have it. Those are the basics of starting a cleaning service company. If you're feeling ready to take the plunge, remember, legalregistration.com is here to help with all your business needs.